Okay, that is also dark light. Okay, what about demonstration? Demonstration, a slice of life, demonstration, a slice of life is still the same. Then testimonials, for you will be telling about
Creating an ad involves writing the copy, selecting the illustration, preparing the visual or verbal layout, and reproducing the ad for the selected media. The copy is all written or spoken material and should make best use. The layout is the physical of the page.
Kinakamusta ko nga pala yung mga pamilya ko sa Quezon.
In advertising, a company may choose the yellow pages, the internet, radio, TV, or print advertising. This choice is a matter of selecting a communication channel for the message and determining a media strategy, which also takes into account the target audience and expected outcome and the budget allotted for the project. Developing media strategy involves two factors. First, the media which will efficiently get the message to the desired audience. Second is scheduling of this media so